Sorry, I paused that video. So this is part 3. Hopefully I can clean this up with a video app. All right, so let's go ahead and pause, and I'm gonna open up a drawing app and test the pen performance. All right, so this is OneNote. I'm gonna set that down, and we're gonna give it a test here. With the screen protector on, there's a lot of resistance. No fish hooks, at least that I can tell. So let me see if pressure sensitivity works. I don't see any tilt in OneNote. All right, so maybe not for you artists. Note takers should be fine. That's at least upgradable. My drawing's not great, but we'll go ahead and see. There's some bit of an offset. I don't know if you can see that. It's trailing a little bit. All right, so if you want smooth drawing, screen protector definitely gives it a lot more resistance. I had taken the screen protector off my other one, so I thought it was a temporary one. I didn't realize that was for the level of art that I can do, this seems fine. Over its predecessor, much better. All right. So anyway, this is a one unboxing. I'll spend some time with it, just check out performance and download all the updates, and I'll see you on the forums.